that works. And if you have reviewers from other course providers, I encourage you to visit again those reviewers kasi there is no exam that you could prepare without the valuable reviewers. Kailangan natin talaga yung reviewers. In this course, we're trying to position on how you would actually use the reviewers to sabi natin dito, how you use the reviewers on how to elevate your performance. Maybe you have tried it before, tudo buhos ang oras mo sa review, tudo buhos ang effort mo sa review, but there are certain aspects na kailangan mo din talagang pagtuunan. And there are certain strategies na dapat na gagawin mo talaga sa pag-review. No? On the fourth module, we have the time attack strategy. Answer faster and avoid mental blocks. Ano na ba ito? Meron talagang mental blocks sa examination. Nag-answer ka, tapos bigla kang na-blanco, tapos bigla ka na lang mapaano, tapos you don't know that time has already flown by. 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. Meron talagang mga ganyan.